Okay, on a lighter note, we've got here news on Anitta. Anitta joins indigenous peoples in traditional Kuarup ceremony in Xingu. So there you go. She took part in a traditional ceremony. And here there is a phrasal verb, take part in the past form, of course. She took part in. So Anitta participated. If you take part in, you participate in something. So Anitta went up to the Xingu and she took part in the Kuarup ritual. She participated in the ritual, a funeral ceremony held to honor the memory of the dead. So when they say held, it's not hold with your hands, yeah, hold. It means to occur, to happen. The ceremony will be held. The ceremony will happen. The ceremony will occur. Okay.